Please explain, as a Muslim, are we allowed to make a story and put it in a play, movie or theater? And could we take a part as a role in a play? And what about folk dancing and modern dancing? Up to which degree we could take a part in traditional national dancing?
He has asked about quite a few things together, that are we allowed to dancing and folk dance and dramas as well?
Whatever you are allowed has to be allowed during the time of Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So you can answer this question yourself.
There was no film then.
What?
What?
There was no film then that time.
There were no films at that time. So
It is not a question of film, but they were actors, humans or not. If they had acted dramas, whether filmed or not, they should have been reported. You're confusing the issue of films with actors. Whether films are made or not, the drama has to be staged by subhumans. So, do you find any trace of such dramas at the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? So finished. Automatically you are not allowed to do that.
And making film at all.
Huh?
and making films at all.
When there is no act, what would be the film made of? You want to make film of nothing? It has to be of something. So when that something is not there, film cannot be made.
We are not also allowed to take a part in national dancing and those kind of folk
I have
dance.
answered this question. Call it national or irrational, whatever it is. When there was no such thing in the time of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and you're strictly asking me these questions from religious point of view, the answer will remain the same. If you're talking of just loose traditions among the people, then you don't ask me this question. I'm not responsible for whatever traditions you find today in the world. Right?